Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm here at Genderkingen Airfield in Donauwörth at the Horizon Airmeet, which is a huge RC plane air show. As you can see, we have here a jet plane flying. I'm very excited about this day because today I will fly with Luca Bertossio in this Fox double-seater aerobatic sailplane. Perhaps that's the big question, is if I will fly the air show with him or if we only make a glider aerobatics flight in between. This will be the tow plane for today. Some minutes ago Luca said that I will fly with him the Airshow program with the smoke. It will be very, very interesting to see. So I'm very grateful to be here today and to fly with him.
Begrüßen Sie mit uns Lukas Meyer aus der Schweiz. Ganz kurz gehört. Helft mal bitte ganz kurz. Einfach nur in die Verlängerung vom Rumpf. Genau. Extra 311.
Hello, nice to meet you, Luca.
My pleasure.
It's great that I have the opportunity today to fly with you here in Genderkingen.
My pleasure, man.
And yeah, you are a very talented aerobatic glider pilot and flying for Red Bull. Yeah, what were your success so far?
Well, I started flight when I was 11 and I discovered gliders just at 20 years old. So about 9 years ago, because I'm getting old like everybody else. So it's been 9 years doing this, and I compete in all part of the world in the World Championship from advanced category. I won in 2012 to World Air Games in Dubai, where I won in 2015, and then I scored as a vice world champion 2 times, 2015 and 2018 last year. So unfortunately this year I couldn't compete, but I'll be back next year.
Well,
now
awesome.
we are in the front of the MDM Fox, which is going to take us for the Red Bull X Glider day show, and you are going to be my guest in the rear seat. It's a special occasion, and for me it's an honor to fly with you. So we're gonna take off with the extra 300 for runway 26, then we turn in left, then right back to the public. We're gonna make a pass to say hello on tow, and then we will continue our climb in the south part so the people can see us, and climbing up to 6,000 feet more or less. Then we will separate from the tow plane. The plane will go behind the public, and we are going to make a good synchro with Matteo, my ground crew and assistant, and social media manager, of course, who is going to switch on the music at my signal, and we are going to fire up the first series of the smoke, and we will draw a heart, an horizontal heart in the sky, and from the ground you will see it will be looking good. After the heart, we will close the heart here in the middle by spinning about 4 3/4 times. So spin, spin, spin. I'll switch on the second series of smoke, and we will get out this side, and we will continue making rolling left, rolling right, then half Cuban 8 with 3/4 roll, 1 1/4 positive snap roll, full complete snap roll, then looping with the complete snap roll on top, exit, then negative launch rack 60 degrees, 1/4 negative, snap roll into the public for the helicopter, my signature figure, the inverted flat spin, with a normal accelerated spin in the opposite direction, downwards. Then we will go just side by the public, pull up, stop in the air, falling backwards, that's the tail slide. Then we will make half negative snap roll, getting out and draw two cool loops, one inside the others, and then positioning ourselves to make a low pass for runway 28 and then prepare us for landing. Runway 26 and stop in front of the public.
Wow.
3.5 minutes
sick.
Of
Yes.
cool places. Huh? You have to tight your muscle and go on. And we are about to get ready now. Good?
Okay. Here it's from the MU-28 from Ackerflieg Munich.
I think you wait for the extra 300.
Good question is what is passing into my mind now. Huh? I'm kind of visualize what is going to happen in the next minutes. Step by step, try to keep just a single flow from the start to the point I start the show. Then another flow from the start of the show to the landing, so I can be focused on what I will look, what I will listen, which sensations, what I have to take care of, what the wind, the temperature, but everything is looking good now. Yeah.
Lassen wir uns die beiden.
Good. Perfect. Huh? Yeah. Good smoke. Wow. Okay, sorry guys, not the best start of my life, but it is a heart. Okay, we go back here, 1300, and there we go for the spin. Okay, good, now we go into the wind. See the heart?
Yes.
You okay, man?
Yes. Warning store.
Yeah.
He's correct.
Yeah, he is. Keep on right. Okay, good. And we wait for the spin to the left. Easy, easy, easy. And exit. Good. Keep on right. Okay, good. And we wait for the spin to the left. Easy, easy, easy. And exit. Good.
Woo-hoo-hoo! That was sick.
Yeah.
Wow.
Easy. Okay, now we are in the low part of the show, so we have to be more smooth. And we're gonna draw a very nice looping here. We have the wind here, so we have to unload, easy unload, and we close it. Good, perfect. We go to the right. We still have the green, huh? Yeah, the green is on. Yeah. The red is on. Yeah. Easy here, down. We make a low pass, 08, and then landing now. Window check, please. Okay, now it's very important that we turn. We have strong wind, so check the air brakes, checked, okay, good. Short final 26. Okay, here is very important to don't pull too much. Open the air brakes, and good. You see the wind? Crazy. Open the air brakes, we are over speed and a little bit of side slip for the public. Good. And landing. Gears down, yes. Oh shit.
Luca Bertossio! Ja, Wahnsinn. Ja, Wahnsinn.
Wow, it was so great.
Und Musik an.
I can't describe it, you have to see it in the video. And all this acceleration with the head down and so
komm
on.
noch mal ganz kurz vom Red
So
Bull
sick.
Feld.
Thank you very much, Luca. It was a pleasure to me to fly with you today at the air show. If you are also interested in flying with him, you can contact him via his homepage or Instagram.
Perfect. Steph, it was a truly honor to have you on board. I hope you have fun.
It was awesome, really
And
awesome.
I truly wish you the best luck in your career. And come to visit us in Bologna at Fly
Yes,
Ozzano.
I will. Thank you very much.
Ciao guys, and follow him, follow me on Instagram. Stay tuned. Ciao.
Ciao.